Exclusive. Manhood, East New York. Tune Heads, Uncle Murder, The Invasion, Brooklyn. Tell Hova that murder running the city
I'm
now.
bringing it back.
Tell Diddy that murder running the city now.
It's a rap.
Tell Russell that murder running the city now.
Man.
Tell 50 that murder running the city
I
now.
know.
Shot many men fear me. Even gangsters when I come around get leery. Like I don't want him near me. That boy scheming. Keep your hand on your gun. Be ready to start squeezing. This man said I know. Let murder try something. These kids feeling they self. They must be high something. Then I step to them, they like, what up, son? I'm like, what up, ma? That see my gun. Then them dudes start stuttering like, what you talking about? Then we rob them. They like, what's this all about? My man heard you talking slick, yeah, that's what happened. Now we bailing y'all for acting like it can't happen. Jokes on y'all, you see all the chicks laughing? Then we take them to the back and let my little man's clap 'em. My little man hit them all up in his fitted cap. Told him, tell Biggie that murder bringing the city back. Bang. Tell Flex that murder running the city now. Tell Angie that murder running the city now. Tell Enough that murder running the city now. Yo, Mr. C, murder running the city now. Tell Brooklyn that murder running the city now. Tell the Bronx that murder running the city now. Tell Queens that murder running the city now. Tell Harlem that murder running the city now. I know how it feel to win. I know how it feel to lose. I getting money gangsters. I run with the realest crew. I do what the killers do. So when I spit at you, I ain't just rapping. Know why I get at you. I hit your punk ass up if I hit at you. I know you heard of murder. I ain't shooting and missing, dude. They said I'm an animal. I'm uncontrollable. I ain't like these rap cats. I put a hole in you. The streets said the same thing. Yeah, they know it too. That's why they embrace me. They know what I'm going through. People in the hood like murder, you killing them. I used to bump they but now I ain't feeling them. I only bump your songs more realer, son. You should change your name to Uncle Murder the Killer, son. You ain't like Jay, you know, he that drug dealer, son. You that Brooklyn boy with your finger on the trigger, son. Can't bang me, your ego getting bigger, son. But that's alright, cause right now you that son. You the new boss, you the boss of the East Coast. When I go to LA, I'm keeping my heat close. You see they made B.I.G. rest in peace, y'all. If I think somebody reach it, his ass is meatloaf. He finito, man. Tell Biggie to tell Pac that the East Coast is back. Murder rolling with the rock. Bang. Tell Envy that murder running the city now. Tell Slay that murder running the city now. Tell Self that murder running the city now. Queen already know, murder running the city now. Tell Brooklyn that murder running the city now. Tell the Bronx that murder running the city now. Tell Queens that murder running the city now. Tell Harlem that murder running the city now.
Tell Staten Island too. Tell Long Island too. Got it here. I'm bringing the city back. Brooklyn, we did it again.